4 consecutive odd integers. Okay, so odd integers are exactly 2 apart. Okay. All right, so let's say if I have x, and then the next odd integer will be x plus 2. The one before this would be x minus 2. Okay, and then I guess doesn't really matter. I guess the one after this would be x plus 4. So if you were to add these up, it's 184. Now I pick this because the minus 2 and 2 will cancel out to give you just 3x here, plus another x plus 4. So you get 4x plus 4, 184. It's just a little simpler if you set it up this way rather than x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. All right, this is going to be 180 exactly. So x is 45. Meaning my numbers are 43, 43, 45, 47, and 49. Okay, they add up to 184.